That's the man right there. That's the man with the master plan. Ramon! All right, perfect. Let's get this going. So right now, I'm building a bookcase. A little small bookcase, nothing crazy. So hopefully, maybe we're not doing anything. So right now we're going to cut all the pieces for the bookshelf before we put it all together. I got all the pieces cut size-wise, width-wise. Now we're going to cut them to size. So then once we do that, we'll start putting everything together. And this is all we use, baby. This is something that means a lot. When building cabinets, we always use domestic wood. So made in the USA. The material that we're using right now, this is maple that we're using to make this bookshelf. And I have no idea if they want to stain or if they want to paint it. So I got to build it in a way, well, the only way I can build it, since I don't know, I would have to build it that I know is going to be stained. Because when you build it stain and when you build it like you're going to paint it like lacquer paint, there's different ways you can put it together. Since I don't know, I'm just going to put it together in a way where it's just meant for staining, and then if it's painted, better, and if it's stained, at least that's already taken care of. But yeah, made in the USA.
This is my country, my damn country. Give me my country, you can keep the rest. This is my country, my damn country.
As you can see on this side, there's a few little knots, because what we use for backing is pine. So that's what we use for backing is pine. So when you know when you know a piece is about to get stained, you want to get away from this stuff. My writing on here, so I know what part is this from, but then this will be the finished side. So this side can get stained and it looks nice. So that's just a little detail that makes a big difference when the project is done. The glue, once it dries, it's actually stronger than any nail. Yeah, most people don't know that. Most people think that, oh, let's just keep putting nails in there. I prefer glue over nail any day. I'm gonna show you a trick. So I need to find, so this is the two sides for the shelves, for the side of the shelf, right? So I need to find what size the shelves, the actual shelves are gonna be, right? So what I do is, this is the material that's gonna be at the end of the whole entire unit, and it's 34 wide. So what I do is, I find my 34, which is right here. I'll put it in the bottom of this unit, right? And then my shelves are gonna be 31 1/8 long. And then that's the difference. So we'll put that there, and then whatever's left over, 31 1/8, which would be the size of my shelf. So that's what we're gonna cut them. So now we put it together. Don't be this woodworker. Don't be this guy. Be this guy. Be sharper than the pen. So we're done with this guy for now. Like I said, we still have to do the crown molding, but for the day, we're already done with this guy. Now, this guy is pretty cool. So this is the first time we've ever done this. It's an axe throwing board. So there it is. There it is, if you want to take a look at it. It's got legs in the back where they're foldable. So we put one of these here, so it's easier for the customer to carry it. I figured it'd be a lot easier. And if they do hit it with an axe, it's their fault. They need a little more practice. So this guy just folds up, folds in, and then you're ready to go. That's it for today. I'm going home, babysitting my kid. Well, not babysitting when you own him. You know, yeah. It's more like being a dad, I guess. So that's what we'll be doing. We don't have an axe, but we have power tools. See those? Bullseye. That's some strong wood, bro. That is some strong wood. For that thing not to even to stick, look how easily it sticks in your leg.